A pleasant day to everyone and to all my viewers. This video is made for scholarship application for Turgood Marshall College Fund. I believe in core principles and values are essential in creating a positive change in our community by being morally upright, living with integrity, and having the helping hand to help each other in any kind of situation that will not going to make us vulnerable with risk as well, and in a way that we can tolerate. And my future in the health care field, I am going to do my best to give the patient the best care they deserve, to make themselves better, away from unnecessary discomfort, delays, and anything that is not supposed to be experienced in the hospital, nursing home, or any other healthcare facilities where they are confined at. I work in law enforcement for more than 5 years in the Philippines and 14 months here in the state of Indiana. So as I transition to healthcare career, I have that knowledge and wisdom on how to serve the public, doing what is the best for them, and to tolerate the things that cannot be tolerated by ordinary citizens who are not became law enforcers before, since that's what we are paid to do, to serve and protect.